Okay. So now let's see what does this question say. There is a copper calorimeter. What is the job of a calorimeter? What will a calorimeter do? Come on, answer it. You have no idea. Have you heard this name for the first time? Calorimeter is used to measure the heat. So in a calorimeter, we need an instrument. We need some vessel, ना, जिसपे दो substances को mix कर रहे हैं. पहले फ्रिज में कर रहे हैं, अभी कैलोरीमीटर में कर रहे हैं. So what are we doing? There is a copper calorimeter. It contains a certain amount of water at 16 degrees Celsius. Calorimeter है, it has water at 16 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's say this is the water. This is the 16 degrees Celsius. Now I add another quantity of water at 24 degrees Celsius. This was at 16 degrees Celsius. Calorimeter was also at a certain temperature. Let's say equilibrium temperature, दोनों का same temperature. When it is not mentioned, we consider the temperature of the calorimeter and the contents of it originally to be at the same temperature. So both this liquid and the calorimeter is at 16 degrees Celsius. Now I add water, 40 grams of water at 36 degrees Celsius is added to it. So now this water B will release heat and water A will absorb heat. Who else will absorb the heat? Calorimeter will also absorb the heat. Two things are absorbing heat. Is there any change of state happening here? Some watery है. Will there be any heat required to change the latency or phase? No. So can I say the amount of heat? If I say the amount of heat absorbed by who calorimeter plus the amount of heat absorbed by water at 16 degrees Celsius, 16 पे है ना इन लोग, is equal to the amount of heat released by water at 36 degrees Celsius. Not understanding? Caution? क्यों मुझे पूछना पड़ता है तुझे कि तू तेरा चेहरा देख के पता चला तू एकदम ब्लैंक है. क्या नहीं समझा इसमें?
ये तो समझा कि ऐड किया तो फिर दो लोग एब्जॉर्ब करवाने नहीं.
कौन करने वाला है एब्जॉर्ब?
एक कैलोरीमीटर और एक जो 16 डिग्री में वाटर है.
हाँ, और देने कौन वाला है? देने वाला पार्टी कौन है? हीट कौन प्रोवाइड कर रहा है?
वो 36
वही तो लिख रही हूँ. इज इक्वल टू द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट प्रोवाइडेड और कैन आई से द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट रिलीज्ड बाय वाटर at 36 degrees Celsius. Is it clear to everyone? So what will be the amount of heat absorbed by the calorimeter? It's a specific heat of calorimeter क्यों नहीं दिया? अच्छा, we have to find the specific heat capacity of calorimeter, right? So what is given to us? यहाँ पे given लिख लो. Given नहीं लिखोगे ना अटक जाओगे. Given क्या है? Specific heat capacity of water, C of water. C of water is how much? 4.2 calories per gram degree Celsius. What is the mass of water? What is the mass of water? A. पहले हम लोग A का लिख लेते हैं. 50 gram. What is the mass of water which we are going to add? 40 gram. What is the specific heat of water B? 4.2 only. Water ही है ना दोनों. 4.2 ही रहेगा. और कुछ पता है? Final temperature is what? 24 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature of water A? 16 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature of water B? 36 degrees Celsius. This is the information that I have. Why are you copying with me? Did I ask you to copy? क्या करोगे कॉपी करके? कभी नहीं पढ़ोगे आप लोग. क्यों पेज वेस्ट करोगे? मत करो. देखो उससे अच्छा दिमाग में कुछ रहेगा. देखो. Amount of heat absorbed by the calorimeter is mass of the calorimeter into specific heat of the calorimeter into temperature change of the calorimeter plus mass of the water A into specific heat capacity of water into change of temperature of water is equal to mass of water at B plus into Specific heat capacity of water into change in temperature. Who is absorbing heat? These two. These two will go from 36 to 24. So 36 minus 24 ये दोनों का डेल्टा टी होगा कि नहीं? और ये दोनों इसका डेल्टा टी क्या होगा? कितना होगा? नहीं, इन लोगों का होगा 24 minus 16. इन लोग 16 डिग्रीज पे थे. A was at 16. So for these it will be 16 minus 16 से किधर तक पहुंच रहे? 24 minus 16. And what about the calorimeter? 36 minus 24. 24 is the equilibrium temperature. ये याद रखो. So ये दोनों का डेल्टा टी सेम होगा कि नहीं? ठीक. So इस केसेस में we can take it common also, but you don't use your limits. Mass of calorimeter. Mass of calorimeter we have to find the specific heat of the calorimeter. So mass of calorimeter in this case we take it as 1, I think. अच्छा, 1 copper calorimeter contains
मुझे लगा पहले बाकी जो
नहीं calorimeter का मास दिया होगा. Mass of calorimeter. अच्छा, we consider when mass of calorimeter is not given, we consider it to be massless. So we will just consider the specific heat of the calorimeter. Mass को 1 लेके चलेंगे. ठीक है? So what are we going to write here? 1 into specific heat तो मुझे ढूंढना ही है. Into what will be the temperature? 24 minus 16 plus mass of water is how much? 16 डिग्री by 50 degrees था. इसके अंदर 50 grams water है. 50 grams water है, specific heat है 4.2 into 24 minus 16 is equal to mass of water which is added is how much? 40 into specific heat is as it is and 36 minus 24. So what does this give us? This is what we have to find. C into 8. So 8C plus how much is this? 8 into 4.2 into 50. This becomes 2.6. कितना होगा? 2.26 है कोई यार. 2.6 हो जाएगा ये. 50 into 4.2 will become 2.6. So 2.6 26 हो जाएगा ये. 20 मतलब 2.6 5 into this is 2.6. 26 into 8 जल्दी से बताओ. 26 into 8 208 is equal to 40 into 4.2 that is 4 into 42 168 into 8, right? So this is 8C is so 168 into 8 that is 8 is a 64 plus 10 48 plus 6 208 208 तो ये हो गया. इसका क्या है?
इसका 1444
1444 minus 208 that is equal to how much?
1236.
1236. So can I say C is equal to 1236 upon 8? That will be how much? 2 करो calculate. 4 से जाएगा मुझे लग रहा है ये. 154.5 154.5 आ रहा है मुझे.